Musiala. And that was very necessary. And he's there to retrieve it. Gets his pass away. And he's cleared it out of harm's way. And he's picked out the run. There really wasn't very much in that, not far away from being a telling final ball.
Iran clearly should have gone for the easier pass. Now they'll have to quickly regroup.
No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Maradona. Maradona is fouled. De Bruyne taking charge of the dead ball. And we have the first dead ball situation of... He's got the shot away! And a terrific save from the keeper.
Maradona actually didn't do an awful lot wrong, to be honest.
And here's Maradona. Mbappe. He might be in here! Santos still without a single shot on target. Pass is just off target. And he's managed to get rid. He's gone forward. And it's Casemiro. Beckenbauer with the clearance. De Bruyne. Law. Beckenbauer with the clearance. Rudiger gets it back. Now it's Mbappe. That's been cut out, well played. Looking for options for movement. Rudiger deals with that comfortably. Well, there's the clearance. Beckenbauer makes the interception. Mbappe. And smartly reclaimed. And the defence can get it clear. Davis. Mbappe looking for the runner. Managed to get it away. Now it's Casemiro. And it's De Bruyne. That is a great pick out. It's Maradona! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Forwards and with intent. And the referee brings the first half. Interesting half, just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break.
Number 13, number 42.
Whistle goes, and we start the second
Number
half.
10, Maradona.
A tight old game so far,
Substitutions
and
taking
that change
place.
now. Beckenbauer. He can run onto that. Now it's Mbappe. And he's managed... Mbappe! It's there!
Oh, he's quite the pro. The speed and shots, real class. Yeah, they were made to pay for not moving the ball smartly enough through a very strong pressing wave.
Santos break the deadlock.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter,
Now the finish! And that has fair fizzed.
look, they don't come much better in terms of ball striking. It deserved a better result than that.
Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. And he can clear it away.
That dugout has had some relief at least, but now the harder work starts. They've got...
He's had a shot! Oh, the ball's run loose here. Well, they've got it back in a hurry.
The attendance for this match was 71,898.
Beckenbauer producing a good steal there, showing a good level of alertness. Away from immediate danger. And they win it back again. Rudiger clears. Now it's Maradona.
Well, yet another interception and a show of anticipation to be commended.
Now it's Osimhen. Now it's De Bruyne. Not the most accurate pass. And out to safety. Casemiro. Bout of passing here, really easy on the eye. And that has been cleared.
Iran really are showing all the necessary urgency, but it's potency they need.
Davis spots it and intercepts. And he's found a... hits one! Should have equalised.
That was extremely good focus from the keeper, and it could turn out to be quite a significant moment.
Iran with their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually. And it's been taken short. He's having a go! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. And now the hit! That is good alertness. That is ended up in no man's land. Now it's Osimhen. Oh, well played, well sorted out. And he's gone looking for safety.
Indicated.
2 minutes to be added on. Moved on forwards. Mbappe, Cristiano Ronaldo. And that will be the final act. Relief, finally. Now at last they can enjoy the taste of victory. Fingernails bitten to